Okay, let's make a landing page generator. So log into the site for the first time. Your account type will show up here on the top. And what you need to do for the first thing, which I tell everybody in every video, is enter your API keys. That's the only way you'll be able to use this. Now, you have to enter your OpenAI API key here so that you can use the AI landing page generator, which is powered by OpenAI. To use the Gemini AI generator, the website generator, the code analyzer and generator, you're going to require to have access to the Gemini AI. So you're going to have to enter your Gemini AI API key here. Once you enter all that information, then you're good to go, and you can go with the landing page generator if you entered Gemini AI API key. Sorry, a phone call came in. I didn't mean to get distracted. So click on Gemini AI generator. This is for landing pages. Enter the business name. Now, this could be if you're a freelancer or if you're an agency or an enterprise, you're going to be your client's information here. So you'll enter, let's do Mario's Pub. You'll select the type of industry that it is. It's going to be a restaurant. We're going to go with red. It's recommended to have what it's going to base things off. Just let it go with itself on auto. But if you wanted to choose one of these items here, you could definitely do that. We'll do one without and one with after. So you're going to put what your conversion goal is for this landing page. Is it lead generation, direct sales, a sign up, to book a consultation, or to download something? You're going to enter that here. So in this case, they just want to get people interested in coming in. They're going to set up something and get people's information and then take it from there. So custom template, you're going to choose. You can do manual entry for your prompt, or you can use one of these pre-made prompts. So we're going to go with a restaurant landing page, and here it enters everything, and this is where you're going to edit the information with your customer's info. You could do it that way, or you could just do it on the generator if you're with a platinum account on the code generator. So we'll just go ahead and make sure we have everything selected that's required, and yes, we do. Now let's go ahead and click generate. Now this will take about 30 seconds to a minute, and in the meantime, just want to let you know that we've got a user guide with step-by-step instructions on how to do this, how to set up your API keys, basically how to navigate the entire site. We do have this option, a freelancer network, or we can help you with projects if you want us to, but honestly, with the code generator, you don't need anybody's help. Just learn to use that and you'll be good to go. You can also view your code with our code viewer. So once you make a change, if you want to see it right away without having to upload it to a server, you can do that right on the site. It's on your menu. Okay, this is what it's got so far. You can always test the video after you save the template. So don't click on any of these right now. We could have definitely, again, entered information here, but you'll do that with if you have access to the code generator, then you can do it there. If not, you'll have to do it here. Now save template. And it generates an automatic public URL that you can share. And there we have it, the entire landing page. You can always change the video in the description. This is just the default one. And yeah, you can edit this. You just have to go back to your dashboard and go ahead and click on My Templates, and here you'll have them listed. So if you wanted to edit it, you just click on Edit, and here you have the code for the page. and grab that and copy it. You go to code viewer, paste it in, and preview the code. Again, here we have it. Now, if you have platinum access, you can go. Oh, sorry, I'm laughing because of the video. You go to the code generator, and then what you're going to do is Code Analyzer is meant to analyze your code and to look for errors or to help you debug something. You have those options here. Code Generator, you have options to code, custom code, API endpoint generator, or a database schema and operations generator. You have a selection of languages here that you can go with. You're going to choose HTML, and we would enter the code here if you want to make any changes. So we would tell it to do that for us. Please change YouTube video to, and we will go with this link here. Please link all header menu items to okay. We can put anything there. It doesn't matter. Whatever information your customer wants you to put in there, you put in there. If it's for yourself that you're building something, you enter your own information. And you can tell it to change the color scheme like we did with the website. Please change color scheme, header, footer, no header. No, just change header color to orange and footer to black. Change all contact info such as telephone to address as email as Mario's Club at and make any button that is for contact to alternate between the phone number and the email. Example, if there are 4 buttons for contact, then 2 buttons should be click to call and 2 buttons should be click to email. Now let's see. We're going to go ahead and generate this. Now this part, don't get freaked out. When you click this button, it's going to look like nothing's going on. But there is. It just takes a bit for it to generate. So we click that to verify that it's actually doing something. Navigate to the next tab and you'll see it's doing something. So once this is completed, we can then pump that into the code viewer and process it and view and see if it did the changes that we wanted to, rather than uploading it to the server and going that route. Now, again, you can host these landing pages yourself because you have access to the code. You don't got to worry about watermarks or our branding on anything once you take the code and upload it to your own site or your customer's site, or even use the URL masking service to mask the URL. Okay, here's the code. Let's copy it. Let's go to the dashboard and to the code viewer, and we'll paste that in and we will process it. And there we have it. It made it orange. It's linking to the site that we asked it to, because I can see at the bottom left it's showing the link. Okay. And here, let's see, call us, yes. Email us, yes. Okay, this we need to fix so we can tell it for the confirm reservation to have it function the way we'd like. So we'd want to receive an email for the reservation to whatever email address you want it to arrive to. We can make that change. And it did all the changes we asked. This goes to the email that we asked as well. So it did all the changes. So you can change things for customers in an instant without if you know how to code, I mean, just use this because you don't have to tediously go through line by line. Just make this do everything for you. Imagine how quickly you can get work done now, and you can verify it before you upload it without having to upload it to the server. Just use this to do so. You don't even have to use your editing program to do any of this. That's the beauty of it. So if you want to watch a more detailed demo, come to one of our webinars. You can register. I'll provide the links below, and then you can register for a webinar, and we'll give a more detailed demonstration of both the website generator, the landing page generators, the code generator to show you what it can do for you. And you already saw partially of what it can do for you when it comes to editing. And that's basically it. We will be making a community where everybody can meet up once a week and talk about new techniques they've discovered and what they're doing. But the nice thing about this is we don't force you to be stuck to us. You can download the files and upload them to your hosting account. We provide you instructions on how to do that, and you can do it for your customer as well on their own hosting account if you wanted to also. This can help you generate a good amount of revenue because of how easy it is to create entire websites or landing pages without watermarks. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.